Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ashton and I make videos related to photography and filmmaking. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then do consider subscribing as that will be highly appreciated. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of things that you might not want in your photo, like things that could take away the attention from the subject. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I've got my image opened up here in Photoshop, and this photo is taken at one of the wires Instagram spots. So as you can see, there are these wires that are holding the flamingos upright. I don't really think that looks good and doesn't add to the image, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna create a new layer and I'll select the spot healing brush tool. So what this tool basically does is it samples the pixels from around the area that you're trying to heal, and it matches the transparency, the lighting, the texture and shading. And yeah, make sure that your brush size, and yeah, when you do this, make sure that your brush size is small, because if it's too big, it usually ends up doing a messy job. So you need to zoom in all the way into what you're trying to erase. With the tool selected, I'm just going to paint over it, and as you can see, it's done a pretty decent job. So I'm just gonna keep doing this all the way on all the wires on all the sides. And yeah, it's really simple. It's just super easy to remove things like this from your images. I'm going to zoom in a little more here and get that little bit over there. It's kind of similar to the healing brush tool. The only difference here is that it doesn't require you to specify a sample spot. It does it automatically. So this tool is great when you're trying to remove small objects from your photos, like for example these wires. And yeah, I think when I shot this picture, there was something on my lens, and I think my sensor was dirty as well. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this off. So I'm just going to click on it, and yeah, it's vanished. So as you can see, this tool does a really good job in trying to remove things that you don't need. And another thing that I forgot to mention was, when you select the spot healing brush tool, right before you could use it, make sure your content aware button is on. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and brush these other bits out. Sometimes you might need to mix this tool up with the clone stamp tool as well. As you can see, it doesn't always do a great job. So I'm just going to clone stamp this bit out here. So yeah, the spot healing brush tool is a great tool to use when you want to get rid of things that you don't need in your image. So yeah, that's all for this video guys, and if you found it useful, then do consider hitting the like button and stay tuned for more.